Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell notification as you will be notified of upcoming videos. This video is entitled Noise Campaign Clowns. Facts. It is important to know the facts about the crimes being committed against you as well as to realize who the criminals are that are taking part in these crimes. I would suggest to all to start websites. Document your stalking. Share the information of what is happening to you so that your case can easily be researched should you fall victim to these constant attacks. In your web pages, simple tactics of using words that would be searched for your name, COINTELPRO, stalking, targeted, etc., will quickly give you links to others who are victims of these same crimes. Everyone you meet will share useful information which will make life easier for you as you realize how these criminals operate. Here you will see a right and left pane. The left pane is entitled Normal Traffic. And I say normal traffic because I've been at this store location, I own the building, and I've been here since 2016. The traffic is more than normal because it is my understanding and I am aware that the stalkers actually stalk the places that you're not at. For example, if I'm at home, they're going to stalk my house, but they're also still going to stalk my store. Here you will see the right pane entitled Noise Campaign. And what do I mean by that? Gang stalkers uh, try to um, intentionally create excessive noise in the vicinity of the targeted person by aiming to disrupt their peace, sleep, and overall well being. And here I'm at my store. I recorded the traffic, and it is about 3 times, I would say, as much as the normal video uh, traffic. Um, However, I have seen this traffic here way more in more excess than what you're seeing on this video. This is just one day I decided to record the traffic because I know that you have stalkers. You have, and this is my disclaimer. Not everybody in this video is a stalker, but a great majority of these people are. I do want to say this. There's absolutely no way the police does not know about this. There's no way. I mean, the amount of traffic within this one block is really excessive at times. And so there's absolutely no way the city does not know about this. They know. Trust me, they do. But they're turning the other way. And I do know that you do have some good cops and you have some bad cops. And you have some that are very supportive. And I appreciate you guys out there that are very supportive. That's wearing your badge faithfully to help someone that you know that needs that. And I have literally seen these stalkers in my travel. Once they see a police officer, they'll pull off on the side of the road. So here you have an increase in traffic uh, while I'm at the store versus when I'm not at the store. So on the left pane, I'm not at the store. The traffic is not there. On the right pane, I'm at the store, and this is geared toward traffic. There are other noise campaigns such as honking horns, banging on walls, playing loud music, etc. But this is basically just the traffic. It does not bother me. I can tell you that this does not bother me. I'm in my own little world. I do my thing at the store, and at times I'm right there by the door where I can hear all the traffic. Like I said, it just does not bother me. I'm in my own little world. It I mean, they could have 1,000 cars come through. I only feel bad about the people who are not the stalkers. They're actually having the problem as far as maneuvering through all this chaotic traffic. These people don't deserve that. Moms and pops, they're here trying to go to Walmart, trying to go to the store. They don't deserve to be in this type of traffic. And I've seen several accidents here at this location, including one that somebody that hit my vehicle. And I will. That's another video, and I will show you all the details. My vehicle is currently in the shop, but I'll show you the details of that as well in another video. But this is a traffic campaign noise video. And here I will just go ahead and let you listen to or view the the remainder of these scenes. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment below and be safe.